Hey everyone, noticing slower brews or off-tasting coffee from your Keurig? Yeah, that usually means it's time to descale. In this full guide, I'll show you step by step how to remove mineral buildup and keep your Keurig brewing like new. First, you'll need a descaling solution, either Keurig's official descaler or a mix of equal parts white vinegar and water. Also grab a large mug and access to the sink. Next, remove and empty the water reservoir. Rinse it lightly, then fill it with the descaling solution or vinegar mixture. Place a large mug on the drip tray and run a brew cycle without a K-cup. Pour the water back into the reservoir after each cycle. This recirculates the solution through the machine. Continue running cycles until the reservoir is empty. Yeah, this flushes out mineral deposits and cleans the internal lines. After descaling, rinse the reservoir thoroughly and fill it with fresh water. This ensures no vinegar or descaler taste remains. Run at least 2 to 3 water-only brew cycles to flush any remaining solution from the machine. Yeah, you want your coffee to taste perfect again. Finally, insert a K-cup and brew a fresh cup. Your coffee should now flow smoothly and taste great. And that's it. You know, the fastest way to descale your Keurig and keep it running like new. If this helped, go ahead and like the video. And yeah, subscribe for more coffee hacks and tips. Hey everyone.